Hi, this is Lady C, and I want to welcome you to Creative Studio. And in the upcoming video, I'm going to be talking about third-party passwords and Yahoo email. And why is this so important? That's because if you want to read your Yahoo email through Outlook, you have to have a third-party password established before Yahoo will allow you to make the connection. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started and see how this is done. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go to our Yahoo email. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a browser, and I'm right here at my Yahoo window. So now what you need to do is go to your username here at the top and point to the username and come down to Account Info. Next, scan your eye to the left and choose Account Security. The system may ask you to verify who you are, so you need to log back in, choose Next. And of course, you need to go in and type in your password, your current password. And then choose Next. And now I can go in here and generate an app password. So just kind of scroll down here and choose Generate App Password. Next, go ahead and choose Get Started. Now you need to enter the app name. And I'm just going to type in Outlook Desktop. And then choose Generate Password. And now you need to write down the name of this password for this app. And of course, I'm going to pixelate mine out so you can't see it. But you got to write this down. It's only going to generate it one time. So make sure you have this information that you need. And you can go ahead and choose to copy it to the clipboard for now. And it's a one-time password. You do not need to remember it. It does not replace your normal password. So go ahead and choose Done. Now remember, I copied mine to the clipboard. So now when I go ahead and open up Microsoft Outlook, I can choose to open up Outlook by choosing it from the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Next, I'm going to add an account. So all I have to do is choose File on the menu bar at the top. Choose Add Account. And now I'm going to go ahead and type in my username. And choose Connect. And I'm going to go ahead and use that password that I just generated. So I can just right click and choose Paste. Because remember, I copied that from the clipboard. And then choose Connect. And now it states that your account has been successfully added. All you have to do is choose Done. Go back into Microsoft Outlook. And now all of your emails should start to appear in the inbox. So basically, what you have here is Yahoo is adding an extra layer of security so that you just don't use your regular password to establish the connection with your Outlook account. So I hope these tips were helpful to you. And if you like these tips, be sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next video.